Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your steps into Sweatcoins. So as you can see here, I've got the Sweatcoin app and my Sweat wallet. If you don't have them, you can download them from your app store. Let's start by pressing on the Sweatcoin app. As you can see at the top here, it shows you how many steps you've currently done, and at the top right corner it shows you our balance. You can see underneath our balance that our setting is walking for crypto and that the first 5,000 steps you take every day will be converted into Sweat and the rest Sweatcoins. Let's open up our wallet and have a look. On the home page, you'll see the total balance. So for example, right now my balance is 0, but if I did have coins, this is where I can decide what to do with them. If I push on transfer, I can either send part of the total Sweat that I have by entering the username or the address of the recipient wallet, or I can request Sweat by scooping and sending your wallet to the person who wants to send you Sweat. And that's it. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, it means so much to us and we really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.